In this ever-changing digital world, we rely more and more on the internet, and social media in particular, to communicate with family, friends and colleagues. We're able to post comments, express personal views, like, dislike, discuss and generally engage in conversation about our life and work experiences with other people, either locally or globally. In doing so, we generate a rich source of online data, which, when analysed, would enable businesses to evaluate how best to improve their products and services or their business efficiency. Paul Howarth, software designer and CEO of Pansensic in the UK, explains.
Every week we analyse millions of conversations around the world for various different companies. We distill these comments down into what's really happening with people's experiences of using a product or a service or working for an organisation.
Whoops, it's gone.
The most important thing is once we understand what's happening, we need to then understand why it's happening. And once we understand why it's happening, it's very easy to sort of define the problem and find a solution.
Analysis of customer experience feedback and product reviews has enabled Pansensic to successfully help many blue-chip organisations develop new products or improve existing ones, whilst furthering marketing communications. Furthermore, analysis of staff experiences provides Pansensic's clients with insights into service and organisational development improvements. So, how does Pansensic differ, and where does this data come from?
If you think about the internet, what the internet's done is it has allowed ordinary people to post comments, their experiences of your products or your services on the internet, and they are put in terabytes on the internet. And that could be around about a product, a service, it could be around about what it's like working for an organisation. And so all of a sudden, we've got all this information on the internet. It's very, very rich, but we're doing nothing with it.
For one reason or another, most organisations and businesses are simply unable to analyse, make sense of, and therefore utilise these comments and reviews. This could be due to data overwhelm, or it could simply be far too time-consuming. Alternatively, it may be that they don't have the technical ability or the skills to collect and make sense of it. Typically, this rich data sits idle, untapped, growing day by day in huge databases, a valuable resource that's completely wasted. As we know, data analysis is not a new concept, and there are many companies worldwide already collecting and analysing this kind of data.
One of the problems in the industry as a whole is there's a lot of people collecting from the internet this rich data, comments, conversations, that sort of thing. Now, it's one thing collecting it, it's a totally different thing analysing it and understanding it.
Collectively, the Pansensic team have a wealth of experience as improvement and innovation practitioners. This expertise means they understand exactly which clues and insights will lead to successful improvements or to that elusive, innovative step. So, Pansensic is offering its combined expertise wrapped up in code. Code which enables you to click and connect straight into the improvement and innovation clues. As a result, there's no need for you to be a seasoned analyst or an expert innovator to make a difference within your organisation.
We've all heard of the phrase, frustration is the mother of all invention. So if you've got loads of comments, surely the best thing to do is to analyse those comments and try and find the frustrated comments. If we do that, we've already focused on a small pot of really important comments. And what we do from then on is look in that pot and try and understand what they're frustrated about. Once you've done that, you've defined something that you can improve.
The way Pansensic does this is to create lenses that allow users to search through text to find innovation clues, just like the frustration example. Each lens represents a considerable amount of Pansensic's time, developing key words and phrases that accurately match these clues. This, in turn, saves the Pansensic user valuable time. Unlike competitive data analysis products, where the user is expected to know exactly what to look for and what the key words and phrases actually are before they can find the improvement and innovation clues.
This is how we help you become experts in improvement and innovation. We have got over 100 different lenses that search through this data that allows you to say, this is an area I need to look at, this is an area I need to look at, rather than search through all of it and try and wonder where you need to make the improvement and where the nuggets are. We help you find these seeds of innovation. At the end of that day, that's going to give you better products, better services, happier staff, happier customers, a better organisation, more profitability and more efficiency.
Contact Pansensic today to discover the various ways in which you can use their innovative technology to help you improve your organisation's products, services or systems. Or simply click on the product pages relevant to the areas you're hoping to improve.
What makes this really exciting is for the first time your competitors, customers are posting feedback of their products online. So what that means is you can actually analyse your competitors' customers and what they think of their products or their services. And that's a fantastic opportunity because it won't be long before they're analysing yours.
Pansensic. Making sense and making a difference.